Classic with Ion Sun Valley, and I'm coming to you from beautiful Sun Valley Resort in Sun Valley, Idaho. And yes, you have seen Pac-Men skiing down the slopes, you've seen poker faces, you've even seen Colonel Mustard and Mrs. White from the game of Clue. That's because this is the 22nd annual Janss Pro-am, and every year they come up with a theme, and every year 144 ski racers respond dressing up in ways you can't imagine, and they do it all for the kids. The Janss Pro-am raises money for nearly 700 kids involved with the Sun Valley Ski Education Foundation. These kids are alpine racers, Nordic racers, snowboarders, freestyle skiers, even big mountain skiers. Black. He's a 10-year-old student from Sun Valley Community School, and he skis for the Sun Valley Ski Education Foundation Alpine team. Harrison, you're pretty dolled up for being on the snow today. Tell me all about this.
Oh, well, it's really fun. The first one was pretty good. It was a little bit icy, and I'm just here to have fun.
But you must be Colonel Green, are you, from the game Clue?
Yes, I am.
This is Bill Cimino, and if you can't guess, he's the jailbird from the game of Monopoly. Bill, you've been doing this race 6 years in a row, right?
I have, yes I have, and it's been a fun, it gets funner every year.
What makes it so fun, Bill?
The people and the, everybody's having a great time on the mountain, and then the parties and luncheons and the gala dance tonight at the Alignment Room in Sun Valley.
What other types of characters have you dressed up in honor of this?
We did, one of our first ones was the Pirates of the Caribbean, and we got the costume on that one. And then last year we did the Village People, and we won that song. And so, and then we did Wizard of Oz, and that was a great success as well.
I'm here with a couple of the poker faces.
So I'm Steve Sofro.
And I'm Wes Purdy.
Okay, now you two are brand new to the art of racing for the Janss Pro-am. What is it like?
Well, I love the costumes, and it's an interesting format, and you've got skiers of all levels, and it's kind of fun. Some people just trying to get down safely, like myself, and then other people from the U.S. ski team that are going very fast.
So you're not a professional ski racer then?
No, I'm a professional recreational skier.
Okay. And you've watched this for years.
Oh, yeah.
What is it like to be able to, you know, participate in it after?
Participate? Well, you really get shoulder to shoulder with some of your good friends and people who you don't know, and it's a fun event. It's not so serious as something else. And weather was good today, snow was good, and our team is all up for it.
As you can probably tell, this is the Pac-Man team. We expect them to clean up on the slopes, eat everybody in sight. Let me know who you are.
I'm Andy Cooley.
Wally Rothgab.
Lori Cooley.
I'm Tanner Farrow.
Hillary Harder.
I'm Blinky.
And one of the cool things about this team is we got 3 U.S. ski team members on it. One of them, Tanner, who grew up skiing in the Sun Valley Ski Education Foundation. What was that like for you, Tanner?
Oh, it was great. Well, pretty much my parents would drop me off, and they, the Sun Valley Ski Team raised me. So I attribute a lot of my characteristics to them, and spending time on the mountain it was a good time.
Okay. And what about you?
I'm Blinky. I grew up in Sun Valley. Love being here, never leaving. Nice to be a part of the Ski Education Foundation after all these years. Like watching it just continue on. It's a great organization.
I'm here with the Divas, which is an incredible women's skiing program here at Sun Valley. All of these women have some connection to the Sun Valley Ski Education Foundation. Either they grew up in it or they have children in it, and that's why they've come out and support. Can you tell me your names, ladies?
Erica Rickson. Maureen Murphy. Heather Flood Daves. Danielle Caruth.
Karen Schock.
Sonia Huntsman. Davina Walker.
All right, Heather, tell me about your experience with the Ski Education Foundation.
I was fortunate enough to grow up in this program and have access to incredible coaching and incredible facilities, and it's really kind of given me the platform in order to be successful through my skiing career in college and beyond, and just to be an all-around good person. So it's great to be back here and give back. I had 3 children that went through the program. I volunteer. It's just a great program, and I'm psyched to be able to come out here and support.
And what are a couple things this program taught your kids?
Basically how to be responsible, how to get here on time, how to take care of their gear, how to be a great teammate, how to have fun, how to support each other, and be responsible. And the list goes on and on and on, so it's pretty amazing.
Anybody else have something they'd like to say? Come on.
No, this is such a great group. One of the reasons why we're here is because we're all coaching now the women's program for Divas on the ski school, and we have an amazing time.
Okay. Thanks for joining us, folks. I'm Karen Bosick with Ion Sun Valley. I'm here with these beautiful divas. They gotta go out and race.
I'm Derek Agnew, General Manager of Zenergy Health Club and Spa, and I want to take you inside and show you what we've done with our new Pivot Studio, which is going to blow you away. The therapists tell me that Pivot really is the game changer. It fills that final gap that we were missing at Zenergy, things they could not do in our main gym.
The recent addition of the Pivot Studio has meant wonders to me as a physical therapist. I can now take care of the most vulnerable post-operative patient, but I can include programming that challenges the most elite athlete.
I moved out to Idaho 4 years ago, so I met a lot of people and I really, really like it here. In New York, I was always sort of introverted. When I came out here, that no longer was me. I became extroverted because the people here are so friendly and warm. You know, if you don't have something like that that brings you into other people's lives, it takes a long time to get to know people.